Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to receive your 2025 stimulus check as quickly and securely as possible, you need to make sure your bank details are correctly submitted to the IRS through Turbotax. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to submit your bank information in Turbotax so your stimulus payment can go directly into your account without delays. Stick around until the end for a few pro tips to avoid common mistakes. Access Turbotax first, open your web browser and type Turbotax into the search bar. Click the official Turbotax website link. On the top right, select Sign In. If you don't already have a Turbotax account, choose Create an Account and follow the prompts to set one up. You'll need an email address, a password, and a few personal details. Navigate to the Federal section. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Turbotax dashboard. Look for the Federal tab. This is where you manage anything related to your federal taxes, including stimulus checks. Click Federal to open that section. Go to File. Inside the Federal area, find and click on File. This is the section where you finalize your tax return and update any important filing information. Enter tax payment info next. Locate your tax payment info. Click it, and you'll be taken to the page where you can set up or update your bank details. Select Direct Debit. On the Payment Info page, click Continue. You'll see an option to choose Direct Debit from my bank account. Select this. Direct Debit is the fastest and safest way to get your stimulus check deposited directly into your bank. Input bank details. Carefully. After selecting Direct Debit, click Continue. You'll now see the Direct Debit bank account information fields. Enter your bank routing number and account number exactly as they appear on your checks or online banking. Double-check every digit. Even a single typo can delay your stimulus deposit. Review and save before finishing. Review all the information you entered. Make sure your name and bank details match your bank records perfectly. Then click Save or Continue to confirm your updates. And that's it. You've successfully submitted your bank information through Turbotax for your 2025 stimulus check. By following these steps carefully, you'll help ensure that your payment reaches your account quickly and without issues. If this guide helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe for more simple, no-stress financial tutorials. Drop any questions in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.